Now that our top section is done, I will begin with doing the internal layering. I will start at the center of her head, not clipping anything away, just trying to really stay with the natural fall of the hair. I'll pull the hair out, straight out, a 90 degree, and I will hold it at this 90 degree. As I internally layer the hair, I will be using back cutting. Back cutting is a technique that is going to make space and seamless internal layers. So now when I look inside of the hair, I will begin with bending the hair and seeing where the natural shape of the head is and how the hair is falling. I'll pick that up and I'll begin with my back cutting, going right through and making sure that I'm cutting all the way in. I am not teasing the hair, I am cutting the hair from shorter to longer, holding out on that 90 degree all the way down till I hit my length and I let that fall. So as you see, I got from shorter to longer with a lot of space in between. Now I will take my next section parallel to my last, and now I have a guide. But I only want to use this guide as a visual guide. So I will hold it up, put it next to here, staying on base. I will bring it down and I will start my back cut again all the way through. Holding it out, making sure that I'm not moving my hand down as I cut. I want to make sure that I'm holding it straight out all the way to my length. As I do this, I'm causing many internal layers that is going to give us a lot of fullness and a lot of movement as we see. It is really starting to shape the head. Take my next section, staying on base each time. I will pick up my visual guide and back cut all the way through to my length. Take my next section again. Holding straight out, I will use my visual guide. And I will back cut all the way out to my length in a nice arced shape as I move in